So let me show you how I made 4,046 rands and 72 cents profit recently. I have a friend I recently connected with. We used to work together as technicians almost 10 years ago. The reason he reached out of the blue was because he recently lost his job. Hey Keith, I just lost my job. Can you help? Do you know of any place or person that can hire me? I replied, dude, I'm also unemployed. Sorry, I can't help. He then asked, how do you survive, man? I said, I flip other people's products the easy way. I've been using this system for the last 3 years. He was like, man, how does it work? Can you tell me more? I said, no problem. It's actually very easy how the system works. All I do is I find best-selling products from BobShop, find similar but cheaper products from Facebook Marketplace, calculate profit to ensure it is very profitable, then I sell those products on BobShop. Here's why I sell on BobShop. They've been around since 1999, so a lot of people have bought a lot of items from them. BobShop is one of the most trusted e-commerce platforms in South Africa. That is why most people will buy from us, unlike when you sell on platforms like Gumtree or Facebook Marketplace. BobShop makes it easy for me to sell best-selling products. All I do is click on what's hot. Best-selling products will have a fire sign next to them. We can also use recent buys to learn what people have bought recently. So let me show you how I made 4,046 rands and 72 cents profit recently. So what I did was I visited the BobShop website. I then click on recent buys. Then I select second hand. I scroll all the way down and enter 1,500 rand as minimum price. This will ensure that I'm only showing products that are 1,000 rands or above. This will make sure that I make a good profit. This is what I found. I found this iPhone 13 Pro that was recently sold for 13,499 rands. I then went onto Facebook Marketplace and searched for iPhone 13 128 gig. I found it for 8,500 rands. So when I calculate profit, my profit should be around 4,046 rands and 72 cents. So I'm gonna sell this iPhone for 13,499 rands. Then I subtract the price I bought the iPhone for, which is 8,500 rands. Then I subtract the BobShop fees, which is 892 rands and 28 cents. Then I subtract the cost of shipping the product to the customer, which is 60 rands. That means now my profit is 4,046 rands and 72 cents. So it's better to sell on BobShop than on Facebook Marketplace because most people trust BobShop. Customers do not mind to pay 13,499 rands on BobShop without thinking twice. This is an easy flip and I can do it multiple times. The reason EasyFlip works so well is because I sell what people want at a very good price. I've been doing this for the last 3 years and the EasyFlip system has worked every single time. After learning all this, my friend was super excited and said, that sounds easy, man, and it makes a whole lot of sense. Is there a way that you can teach me step by step on how to do this? And I said, I would love to do that. You can join our community called EasyFlip Simplified. In there, members receive new case studies every week and they get to look over my shoulders as I find products to flip the easy way. In our community, I post new case studies every Friday night. You can then ask questions about the case study and beyond. You will also learn from other students and much more. My friend was super excited after learning all this and was hopeful that even though he lost his job, there is a way to survive.